Hey everyone, this is Whiskey in a Jam Jar here, and today I just wanted to say thank you for the 500 subscriber mark. It's truly an honor for you guys to actually just go to my channel and hit that subscribe button or smash it if I if I do say so myself. So for you guys, what I'm doing today is a try not to laugh challenge. Now I know it's a very unique idea, and not only is it my own idea, that hundreds and hundreds of people must have heard me think about it, because if you look here, it is literally the same thing over and 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 over again. But I like laughing. Laughing's healthy for you. So I've gone on to Reddit, and it's the Reddit's Try Not to Laugh challenge. So let's see how we do. I have a feeling I'm not going to laugh that much, if I'm being honest. It'll be one of those where, and I think that's why some of them go try not to laugh challenge but try not to grin challenge, because sometimes you'll just look at it, it's not funny, you just go and that's about it. So maybe we're trying to give them some like little clauses or something like that. But anyway, let's get straight into it. Get rid of you.
Oh my god. You fucking kids! I've got places to be!
That's nice.
I'm doing good so far. I don't know yet. This is weird. Poor cat. Oh, Toy Story.
We missed the truck. We're not aiming for the truck.
No! Fuck! Fuck. I didn't expect that. Shit. I was really gonna try and not. I was really gonna try and not laugh. Fuck! It's 44 seconds in, and I'm already screwed. God damn it! God damn it, Toy Story! God damn it, 9/11. Anyway. I hate how fake that is. That's old.
I do parkour.
What do you do?
I do parkour.
You do?
I do parkour.
Get
Now the issue is, because I live in the day of the internet, I've seen quite a lot of these videos. So the reason why sometimes I'm not laughing is because I've seen it before, and I don't want to laugh when I've already seen it before, if that makes sense. I can say that some of them have made me laugh. Like that one what just went on does make me laugh, but I'm not going to fake my laughing. I mean, come on. What's all that about?
Playing football blind.
Anything's possible.
What a hero. Oh, fuck.
And what's your act?
I will demonstrate for you my abilities in the art of self-levitation.
Is it ironic that he's really fat and he's doing levitation? Really? Is this real? Is this real life?
I mean, I know I'm gonna get got, but I'm gonna get mine more than I get got, though.
You can't touch this.
Why is this a laugh one? It's Muhammad Ali
Can't touch this.
being a beast. What's up with that dog's ears? It's like antennas. Oh no. Wait. That dad was laughing at his son's dick getting bit by a fucking dog. Jesus Christ. Oh no.
Keep your shirt on. No.
Pips.
Okay, not that time.
Sea bottle, a Coca-Cola glass. I don't give a damn.
Fat fuck.
Curtis, what do you think?
Oh, now you know I ain't allowed to think.
Oh no. Oh no, that's so good. Oh, it just squeaked. Where'd it go?
So basically, what I was thinking of was, oh fuck, I can't believe you've done this.
He's so polite. He's so polite. He looks so angry. He's like, I can't believe you've done this. It's the most English thing ever. I think he's English.
Even the babies are one of the most dangerous animals in the world, so I built this cage to keep them secure so there's no possible... Oh my god.
Quelle surprise, la seconde boulangerie du jour réserve-t-elle à notre jury?
Oh, that wasn't funny. That was cruel. Oh no. Oh no. It's the noise. Oh. God damn it, Ron. Okay. So, as I said, the issue is, I've seen loads of these before. I've seen loads of them before, so I don't want to fake the laughing for you guys. Try not to laugh challenge. Oh, try not to laugh impossible challenge ever. Version 1. Bring it on.
EYES spells. You're a fucking idiot.
Is that critical?
Thank you very much for giving me these delicious walnuts. I like them very much. You are a nice person. I will be sure to come back tomorrow.
That one's really good. That one's really good. Vines are so much better. So much better at quick humor. I've seen that one before, but it's always fucking funny.
LeBron James.
The fucking son of a bitch next to me.
Get him the hell out of here.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine.
What she do? I said, what? Mess it up, mess it up, mess it up. Top top, nigga. Hot top.
Father?
Yep, that's me.
Okay, can I just say something crazy?
I love crazy.
Free your mind.
They catch Monica.
Oh! Fuck! Oh, that looked painful. Oh. No, shush. Oh! Oh. Okay, the final shot for me on this, because I know so many of them, and most of them are just absolutely boring as fuck. I'm gonna try a brand new one. Yeah, 28th of January. This was released. The best Try Not to Laugh of January 2017. Dank Memes Edition. Now, you guys all know that I love myself some memes. That's awesome. Oh no! Oh, the poor cat! He's been through some shit. Oh. No, shut up. Why is that so funny? That shouldn't be funny, but it is. It's the only one in this video right now that's actually made me properly laugh. I mean, there's going to be so many edits in this video, just to let you guys know. It's so much shit what's not funny at all. Really, Vine? Oh, fucking brilliant. That one's so good. Okay, that's me done for today, guys. That was really fun to do. There was so many. I've been watching clips for about 45 minutes now, and I'd say about 10% were funny. And I noticed there's a slight pattern in some of them. Obviously using old memes and all that kind of stuff, like people going, oh, and all that shit, but also turning up the volume of music so it's really distorted is somehow funny. I have no idea, but either way, it was fun to do. Thank you guys all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, get involved in the comments, and smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. From me and BMO, peace out. Bye-bye.